Man, these fools ain't gorillas, they just monkeys that talk. A bunch of lions with no heart. Yo, we line them up like cannons, but don't none of them spark. I can tell they all faggots by the way that they walk. They're like a piece of canvas that ain't got no art. It's plain to see the fairy tales, I rip them apart. They ain't into flipping keys, they ain't killing nobody. They ain't really catching cases, ain't none of that pop. I got a fist full of iron, I pop a bitch in the eye. Admire my sick mind inside, design your demise. These little guys, no matter their size, try to rise to my occasion. Receive 5 shots in their rib cages. I speak native, so my tongue it flips like it's Asian. It's a script, actors hired by these government agents. These record labels set up for federal agencies. They sign you for all the information, you go and you tell the deeds. They have these puppets acting like they really are moving deep. Maneuver he in the rap hood, they act like they run the street.